Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview Baquacil Total Alkalinity Increaser. What is Baquacil Total Alkalinity Increaser? Total Alkalinity Increaser is designed to raise the total alkalinity level in your Baquacil treat pool. Total alkalinity should be between 80 to 150 ppm. Product benefits: raises total alkalinity increaser. 3 pounds per 10,000 gallons to raise total alkalinity by 20 ppm. Usage directions. Step 1. Test your water's total alkalinity every week with your Baquacil Test strips and adjust as necessary. Generally, 3 pounds of Baquacil Total Alkalinity Increaser in 10,000 gallons of pool water will raise total alkalinity by 20 ppm. Step 2. Allow the water to circulate for 12 to 24 hours. Recheck your alkalinity reading. Repeat treatment as necessary until alkalinity between 80 to 150 ppm is obtained. Dosage: 3 pounds per 10,000 gallons to raise total alkalinity by 20 ppm. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.